that feels like. Oh, I feel the suspension bottoming out slightly there.
The control going into the corners is unbelievable.
And we'll check the steering wheel is very responsive.
Don't do that!
And the G-forces are pulling through the corners. It's got a lot of grip in it, this thing.
Steering is so responsive.
My helmet! Go on! 211 kilometers an hour. Oh, braking. Oh, braking.
You know what? The sound is very straight. Oh, we got the back end out. Let's go. We got a slide on there. Well done.
Whoa! Yes, baby. A little bit of twitching out on the rear there. Fantastic.
Oh, we've done
another
this
one.
again. Oh, mate. You got the skills. You've done this before.
Oh my goodness me, that is great. I literally can't stop smiling.
Good
That was
experience?
sick. I'm not going out.